In this video, let's learn how to remove lock screen security. We can set it as none. Now, when I turn on my lock screen, you can see we want to swap this screen. We can remove this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here, click on this screen lock type option. You can see the current lock type is swap. I can set it to none. Now I turn off my screen and let's check how it works. You can see no any swap screen. We can directly open our mobile home screen like this.